Hello, I'm going to be talking to you all about Scotland's flags. Welcome to GIS 101 Scotland Flags. This crash course is taught by me, Amanda Murray. At the end of this course, students should be able to distinguish between Scotland's 3 different flags. Students will know and appreciate the history and origin behind these historical pieces of art. And students should be able to discuss in depth their significance, how they are used and flown today, etc. 4 course topics we'll be going over are the history about Scotland's flags, Scotland's Union flag, Scotland's satire flag, and Scotland's Royal Standard flag. And pictures of them are at the bottom here. That's Scotland's Union flag, Scotland's satire flag, and Scotland's Royal Standard flag. So let's get started. So let's move on to Scotland's flags, the tab at the top.